So all this information that's being collected by the community, this mutagenesis data, this experimental data, that's something that you can find on the drugs and ligands, and then on the ligand site mutations. So here we have the mutations tool. And then you can select your receptor of interest, the one that you want to collect information for about possible experimental data that's already out there. So let's take the 5-HT1A. Also here you can select specific segments. Are you interested in just any mutagenesis data that's out there, or anything? So right now I'm just selecting the full sequence. And then it collects all this data, so it shows at what position the residue was mutated. So the generic numbering position, the wild type position number, what segment, what type of mutation, what was done, what the effect was, what type of assay was performed, and what ligand was actually affected by this mutation. And also the original publication, of course, where this data is coming from. So here, for the 5-HT1A, there's a lot of information, and you can quickly filter, for example, again here on the segments. I only want to see influences on TN3, and here we see again 332 popping up. So mutations of this aspartic acid to an asparagine have clear influences on the binding of the serotonin, for example. And again, here we have the snake plot that summarizes the mutagenesis data and the helix box plots. And at the bottom, we have a nice summary of the mutated residues again.